In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily track Docusign envelopes in a spreadsheet using Zapier plus Google Sheet 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that logs every Docusign envelope status update into a Google Sheet so you can monitor progress at a glance and keep your team aligned. Let's get set up. Start by logging into your Zapier account. On the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zaps to open a new automation. In the editor, we'll begin with the trigger. Select Docusign as the app, and for the event, choose Envelope Status Updated. This trigger fires whenever an envelope changes state, like when it's sent, viewed, completed, declined, or voided, so it's perfect for tracking. Connect your Docusign account when prompted. Zapier will ask for authorization. Approve the connection and make sure you're using the correct Docusign environment. To make mapping easier later, test the trigger by sending a quick sample envelope from your Docusign account. Back in Zapier, run the trigger test and confirm you see sample data such as envelope ID, subject, recipients, and status. If nothing appears, send another test envelope and try again. Next, add the action. Choose Google Sheets as the app and set the event to Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account, then pick the spreadsheet you'll use for tracking and the specific worksheet. Tip: it helps to prepare the sheet first with clear headers. Common columns include envelope ID, subject, recipient email, status, sender, last updated, completed date, and a document or envelope URL. Having headers in place ensures Zapier shows you clean fields to map. Now map the data from the Docusign trigger to the matching columns in Google Sheets. For example, map the envelope ID to your ID column, the current status to the status column, the primary recipient to recipient email, and any dates to their corresponding columns. If you see multiple recipient objects, choose the one that best represents how you want to track your envelopes. Run a test for the action. Zapier will create a new row in your sheet using the sample envelope data. Open the sheet, confirm the values look correct, and adjust any formatting such as date columns if needed. When everything looks good, turn on the Zap, then click Publish. From now on, each time Docusign updates an envelope, a new row will be created in your Google Sheet automatically. That's it. Simple, reliable, and ready to scale your tracking.